Alright, YouTubers, we are making pizza, vegan style. The dough's already been made. There may be a recipe for making the dough in the link in the description box. So now I put it in some flour that also has semolina in it, right?
Yep. Pre-mixed. I
Yeah.
pre-mixed it.
We're gonna need the dough.
No, we're gonna shape it.
Yeah, that's what I meant. The intent here, we tried to make some New York City pizza dough, you know, good kind of pizza. And this is gonna be vegan. See how nice and stretchy that is? Throw it up in the air.
I don't know how to do that.
Looks good.
I'm gonna let it relax for a couple minutes. I'm just gonna put a little more stuff beneath here, and then I'm gonna create the pizza like that guy we were watching does. All right, that's a little rustic looking, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Follow your heart. Fake mozzarella. We might need 3 of these.
I think we might actually. All right, you want a little bit of this?
Yeah. And put some.
These are orange peppers.
Yep, I know.
Well, I'm telling them.
Okay. A little bit of onion. This
Some of
is
this.
Beyond Sausage, hot Italian sausage.
Yep.
This is Field and Roast Classic Pizzeria plant-based pepperoni slices.
I think that guy put a little bit right there, right?
I think he did.
Yeah. A little bit on the edge of the pizza peel. And then we're gonna see what happens.
Oh, you got good. You did good.
That was really good.
Yeah, proud of yourself.
I'm proud of myself.
All right, now it's going in the oven. 550 for an hour. Now we're gonna put it down on a pizza steel, not a pizza stone, a pizza steel.
There we go. Wait, hold on. Oh, that guy.
There it is.
Okay.
All right, here we're making the second pizza. I think we've decided there's probably going to be 3 pizzas made. And again, this dough is New York style dough. See it coming out?
It's all of it.
Yeah.
Legit. Try not to deflate it too much. Get it covered. And go in here. It feels really soft.
It's good, right?
Mm-hmm.
We did not get water sent from New York. I got cousins. I could have called them. Okay, so we're still working on the second one.
Yep. Okay.
It's the cheese is bubbling on the first one.
Is it? Does it look good?
Looking good.
It's looking good.
You're going to see real soon how good this pizza turns out.
I'm going to put Daya on this one.
What do we put on the other one?
Follow your heart. Nice thing about Daya is, well, a lot of these vegan cheeses, if you don't use them fast enough, you can throw them in your freezer.
As a New Yorker, I can be a pizza snob, but this stuff is good.
And I recommend if you get the Daya, get the updated version that's has that emblem on it, because the original Daya, ooh, it's got a real strong taste that's not too enjoyable.
And again, if you don't like to go vegan, you can make this with real stuff. It's your choice. This is real life, YouTubers.
There we go.
Look at that.
There we go.
That's professional looking right there.
Really, you think?
Pretty darn good. You don't want me on that thing. Woo! Looky, looky. it looks pretty good.
It does. Listen.
Ooh,
It
looks
might
good
be.
under there.
It might be a little too crispy for New York pizza.
Fly over. Going in my belly. It's beautiful, and importantly, you can fold it. Now, if you eat pizza with a knife and fork, we might not be able to be friends. All right, now we're gonna cut it. Ooh, it's a little thick.
Think it's a little thick.
Yeah,
It's a little too
smells
thick.
good.
The cheese seems a little watery.
Yeah.
How big you want me to make it? Like that?
Just make it into 4, yeah.
Okay.
I can't fold it like you're supposed to, I don't think, but I'll try. I would give you a taste test right now, but it appears too hot.
Yeah, I think it's a little, for like New York pizza, it's a little.
Crust a little thick.
No, I think you
Just
can fold
fold
it.
it.
I think you can fold it.
That's pretty good.
Oh, see, you can see the bubbles in the crust.
Yeah.
That's nice.
It'll beat anything that comes up to your house by somebody in a car.
When you live here, anyway.
When you live pretty much anywhere.
Yeah. Tastes good.
That's good. Might be done. Might be more pizza to see. There's probably going to be more pizza to see. All right, I want to tell you some more before that other pizza comes out done. This is what we use for the sauce. We use about half of that. In here is where we put it. We put some good quality olive oil in it. We put some salt in it. We use this Penzeys frozen pizza seasoning, but we didn't use a frozen pizza, obviously, because that's a terrible thing to do to one's self and taste buds. And yeah. And I'm going to put in the description block a link to the dough recipe that we used. And I'm also going to put another recipe or another link in for another YouTube channel, Vito somebody. He's Italian. He's been making pizza since he's like 6 years old. If you want to learn how to make your own crust, I can't help you. We can show you a little bit here, but we learned a lot just watching him. So check out his channel. He's a very happy and excitable Italian guy that knows how to make pizza. He looked like a master dough maker. So that's that. And we're going to cut another pizza here. All right, the first thing we wanted to say is, it just got all said to me, so I'm going to repeat it. The first pizza you saw had the Follow Your Heart, and the second pizza had the Daiya cheese. And as you can see, if we get a little closer, the Daiya cheese didn't melt as well as the Follow Your Heart. So if you're trying to go vegan with this, we kind of recommend the Follow Your Heart mozzarella. That it seemed to melt a little bit better for pizza. Yeah, and then we're gonna cut this, and I'm gonna be a pain. I'm gonna have it cut so it's like a New York slice. I'm gonna take a huge bit of that. That's what I want to do, so I can fold it. All right, I'm gonna do it.
Ah.
Trying to cut it like a good slice. So that kind of, even though it's got the side on it, it's kind of shaped more like a slice.
Still, it's nice and brown on the edges.
Yeah,
you know,
it's
you get
nice.
The little.
It looks like it came out good.
I was worried too because the pepperoni is like burning.
Yeah.
You know, pepperoni. It's not real. But
Pepperoni.
yeah, that's what I meant. You couldn't tell from my voice.
All right, I'm gonna try to fold. Try to make a fold. If you don't fold your pizza, you're not doing it right. That's kind of close. I'm gonna give this a taste. Man, that's good. That really is good. I even think if you're not vegan, you would probably like this if you like pizza. Very good. Another bite. All right, coming at you. Nice crunch. Guess what? We're gonna make another one. Look at that. That's nice. We're gonna make another pizza.
I like it with the Daiya pizza. I mean, Daiya cheese.
Yeah.
The Daiya cheese. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Tastes good. It's not quite as melty, but the other cheese kind of sticks in your teeth a little. This
Yeah.
doesn't do that.
Okay.
So I don't know. It's a toss-up.
Yeah. Well, try either one. Try them both. See what you like better. We'll see if there's going to be more. A command decision was made, as I make a lot of noise probably with this microphone. I have enough dough to make 4 pizzas, and it's silly to leave pizza dough for 1 pizza laying around, so we're going to make 4 pizzas apparently. And we're going to eat, I'm going to see how much pizza I can eat until I pass out. It's vegan, it's not bad for you. That's what I tell myself. It's healthy.
It's healthy?
It's healthy.
Oh, okay.
It's almost like eating a tree. One thing that's really important I throw in now, sure, this video is on my channel, but I didn't do anything. I moved the camera a few times, helped where I could, but the talent was not me. I was just a guy behind a camera. So I think this video is really helpful in a way to make good, very, very good vegan pizza. And again, if you're not vegan, you can use some of the tips here and eat meat if you have to. But again, if you try vegan stuff, it's pretty good. Again, you know, when a lot of times you make something like this, people go, you should put this, you should put that, you should put whatever you want. You make your pizza your way. You make your pizza with what you want. If you want anchovies, put your anchovies on there.
That's not vegan.
It would not be vegan, that is true, and it would also mean don't invite me over if you're doing anchovies. Now we're gonna see if the pro can do it. Oh, look at that, YouTubers.
I'm getting better every time.
You're damn good at this. It's like you've been doing it for more than 3 pizzas.
I'm not quite Vito.
You are not.
Hey, come on.
Oh, that's not a bad thing. A 525 degree oven for about 4 to 5 minutes.
Okay, this one might be the biggest one yet.
I like the big pizzas. Yeah, that's a nice big, that's gonna make a good pie. One other thing I think you should keep in mind is, you know, making pizzas is fun. You get together, make a pizza, have a little fun, add this or that, get your hands dirty, get your hands in there, and create great pizza.
All right, well, here we go.
Ooh. Oh, it's you.
I know. Pretty impressed with myself, I must
Get
say.
a job in Brooklyn. All right, we're taking the other pizza out. Looky there. Looky there. YouTubers are gonna get a listen over. I give you flyovers. I stole this from Vito. Again, check out the Vito guy that I'm gonna put in the description. He's a pizza genius. All right, YouTubers, we made this one wrong. We forgot the cheese somehow. We're pizza drunk. So the cheese went on top. See how that comes out. All right, going to talk to you a little bit again. This was cooked on a pizza steel, which many of you may or may not have heard from. We're going to put a link in the description for the pizza steel that she uses. And had a pizza stone in the past and you think the steel is much better.
Yes.
You don't have to worry about breaking them. They get hotter, so you get a nice, good, quick cook on the bottom of them. You know, because you're cooking this in your home oven. And the bottom of that does look good.
Yeah.
So we'll put those links in there. What else do you want to say?
The semolina that I use, this is the brand I use for what I'm dredging it in and putting beneath the crust when I roll it. And it's 50% semolina flour and 50% all-purpose flour.
All right.
That's it.
That's it. There's another pizza cooking. Woohoo! There's the 4th and final pizza. I'll tell you, even though we made a mistake and forgot cheese and put it on top, looks pretty good. And I will tell you, as a native New Yorker, born and raised, this is, even though this is vegan, remember, this is vegan. This is the best slice you're going to get west of 52nd Street, I'm telling you. I'm a bit of a pizza snob, and this is the real deal. I hope you enjoyed. Hope if you're trying to make pizza on your own, this is a little bit helpful. Again, check out the links in the description of people that are filming this better than I'm able to do. But vegan or non-vegan, enjoy some pizza. It's the thing of life. It's pizza. It's the greatest thing ever. Have a great and wonderful day. Something to say?
No.
Want to wash the pizza?
I was just looking at that. I didn't know what that was.
All right. Have a great and wonderful day, YouTubers.